viewers, welcome back to Chat Online Maths. We are still on ratio and proportion. Today we're going to look at application of proportion. So let's try our first example. It says a price of 600 Ghana cedis is shared between Kwame and Kwesi in the ratio 4:6, respectively. Calculate the amount each received. So that's our solution here. So first of all, we have to find the total ratio. So total ratio is equal to 4 plus 6. That will give us 10. Good. So we are going to look for Kwesi's share. That's Kwame's share. So Kwame's share is equal to, Kwame's share will be Kwame's ratio over total ratio times the total amount shared. So take note. So what's Kwame's ratio? Kwame's ratio here is 4 over the total ratio, that's 10, times the total amount shared, that's 600 Ghana cedis. So the first name will take the first ratio, and then the second name will take the second ratio. So take note. Now, always make sure that the total ratio here is equivalent to the total amount shared. So take note. So let's cancel. 0 cancels 0. So we are going to have 4 times 60, which will give us 4, 6, 24, 440. So it means that Kwame had 240 Ghana cedis. Good. Let's go and look for Kwesi's share. So Kwesi's share is equal to Kwesi's ratio over total ratio times the amount shared. So we are going to have 6. That's Kwesi's ratio out of 10 times 600 Ghana cedis. So let's cancel. We are going to have 0 cancel 0. 6 times 6 will give us 36. Then you add a 0 to it. So Kwesi had 360 Ghana cedis. So Kwesi's share, you can also do it this way. 600 minus 240, which will also give you 360. So this is how you're going to calculate for the amount each received. So take note. It's not difficult. Please. It's not difficult. Okay? Good. Now let's try the second example. The second example says the ratio of Thompson's age to Rahel's age is 2:3. Rahel is 24 years old. How old is Thompson? Now, we don't know the age of Thompson, but we know Rahel's age. So, to know Thompson's age, is equal to, now, Thompson's age is equal to Thompson's ratio. Take note. Is equal to Thompson's ratio over Rahel's ratio times Rahel's age. Now, so what is Thompson's age here? Thompson's age here is 2 over Rahel's age. Rahel's ratio. What's Rahel's ratio? Is 3 times 24. Now, why is it that here we didn't use the total ratio here? We didn't use the total ratio here because we don't know the total ages of Rahel and Thompson. But we know Rahel's age to be 24. So if that's the case, then 24 here should be equivalent to the number here. So the ratio of Rahel's age, the ratio of Rahel is equal to Rahel's age. That's why I got 3 here. So take note. You should know the difference between the first one and then the second one. So let's cancel. 3 goes here 1, 3 goes here 8. So we have 2 times 8, which will give us what? 16. So it means that Thompson's age is what? 16 years. Are you getting it? That's good. That's good. So this is how you're going to find Thompson's age. Please, if you have any question, give your comments. I will reply you. Okay? Good. Let's see the third question. The third question says, a man shares his annual salary between his daughters, Amber and Essie, in a ratio 2:3. If Amber's share is 100 Ghana cedis, find I, the amount shared. The amount shared, we don't know. We don't know the amount shared. So, but we know Amber's share. So, to find the amount shared, I, the amount shared, is equal to, the amount shared is equivalent to the total ratio. So take note. The amount shared is equal to what? The total ratio. Now, what is the total ratio here? The total ratio here is 2 plus 3, which will give us 5. So, 5 out of Amber's ratio. What's Amber's ratio here? Amber's ratio here is 2. So, 2 times Amber's share. That's 100. Now, I want to know the difference between, I want to know the difference for the first question, second question, and then the third question. So take note, the arrangement is very important. So take note. Now here, we are looking for the amount shared. We will say that the amount shared is equivalent to the total ratio. So total ratio over Amber's ratio times Amber's amount or Amber's share. So we are going to have 2 goes here 1, 2 goes to 150. Now 5 times 50 will give us what? 250 Ghana cedis. So it means that the amount shared is equal to what? 250 Ghana cedis. Now the second question says find S's share. S's share is equal to, now we know the amount shared. So 250 Ghana cedis minus Amber's share. That's 100 Ghana cedis. Which will give us what? 150 Ghana cedis. Okay? So that's all. Or you can also use this method. You can also use this method to find S's share. Now, it will be S's ratio. Now, what's the S's ratio here? S's ratio here is 3. So, it will be S's ratio over Amber's ratio. What's Amber's ratio here? Amber's ratio is what? 2 times Amber's share. That will give us 2 goes here 1, 2 goes here 15. 3, 5, 15. So 150 Ghana cedis, add 0 to it. We're going to get 150 Ghana cedis. So either you use this method or this method. Take note. Or you can also use this method. Now method 3 for S's share. You can also say that, or you can also do it this way. S's ratio. S's ratio is what? 3 over the total ratio. Now, what the total ratio here is 5 because 2 plus 3 is 5. Now, times the amount shared. Now, we know the amount shared. So, times what? 250 Ghana cedis. Now, the reason why I brought this 5 is that the 5 here is equivalent to 250 Ghana cedis. So, let's cancel. 5 goes here 1, 5 goes here 50. 3 times 50 will give us what? 150 Ghana cedis. So any method you use, you get the same answer. So to find X share, you have 3 methods you can use to get your answer. Method 1, method 2, method 3. Hope you are getting it? Good. Now let's go and solve the last question. Okay. Now let's see the last question. The last question says that Kojo, Ebo, and Amma shared 14,000 Ghana cedis among themselves. Kojo had twice as much as Ebo, and Ebo also had twice as much as Amma. How much did Ebo get? It's very simple. Let's see. Now, do you know Amma's share? No. We don't know Amma's share. So, it says Amma's share is equal to X. You don't know Amma's share. So, Amma's share is equal to X. Good. And the question is that Ebo also had twice as much as Amma. So, Ebo's share is equal to 2 into bracket X. Because Ebo had twice of Amma's share. Twice of Amma's share. So 2 into bracket X. The X is for Amma. And Ebo had twice of Amma's share. That's why we had 2X. Good. So let's go to Kojo's share. Kojo's share, the question also says that Kojo also had twice as much as Ebo. Now we know Ebo's share to be 2X. So it will be 2 into bracket 2X because Kojo had twice as much as Ebo. Ebo is 2X. So if Ebo is 2X, then Kojo's share will be 2 times 2X, which will give us what? 4X. So take note. Now you're looking for when you add Amma's share, Ebo's share, and Kojo's share, it should be equal to 14,000 Ghana cedis. So we are going to have amount shared. We are going to have X plus 2X plus 4X equal to 14,000 Ghana cedis. Because Amma's share, Ebo's share plus Kojo's share should give us 14,000 Ghana cedis. Now let's add all. We are going to have 7X because 14,000 Ghana cedis. We are looking for X. So divide both sides by 7. 7 will cancel 7. X is equal to what? 7 goes here 1, 7 goes here 2. So 2,000 Ghana cedis. It means that Amma had 2,000 Ghana cedis because X represents Amma's share. So if you know your X, it means that Amma had 2,000 Ghana cedis. Good. The question is not demanding for Amma's share. The question is demanding for Ebo's share. So now let's go and look for Ebo's share. So amount Ebo received is equal to, now we know Ebo's share to be 2X. So we know X to be 2,000. So 2,000. 2,000 times 2 give us 4,000 Ghana cedis. So it means that Ebo had 4,000 Ghana cedis. And we are getting all the steps. That's good. If the question would have asked you to find Kojo's share, it would have been 4 times 2,000, which will give us 16,000 Ghana cedis. Please, math is very simple. Math is not difficult. It's your mind. Please, program your mind in such a way that you will love math. Follow Jack Online Math. We give you best tutorials. If you know you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new lessons. Keep on enjoying mathematics. Keep on following JATS. Say JATS, be exceptional. I wish you all the best.